Good morning, children. So, second class children, be ready. From today onwards, we are going to lesson reading practice. Okay, teacher will show you from textbook. So, we are going to do the textbook reading practice daily. This is the like for you. We had completed all the lessons, isn't it, children? So now our turn is what? Let me complete all the textbook exercise, and then we will go along with the textbook reading also. So that gives a very good practice for you all. Okay, so teacher will show you how to read the lessons, and you two children start learning along with your teacher. Open your textbook and page number 95. From the last lesson to first lesson we will move. Okay, so let me start the lesson number 12. What is the name of the lesson? Light and shadow. Be ready, all of you second class children. Page number 95, lesson number 12. Name of the lesson is light and shadow. Are you all ready, children? So let's start. Okay, so how teacher is reading, say along with your teacher and be ready. Just go with the oral drilling practice. Okay, so in the which way I am showing you how to read the lesson, the same way you have to follow me. Okay, now come on, start along with your teacher. Do you see the black figure on the ground? It is the shadow of the girl. Is it clear for you all? Come on, start now. Again you learn the sentence. Do you see the black figure on the ground? It is the shadow of the girl. Okay. Now let's start. Sun. What is this? Sun. S-U-N. Sun. The primary source of light. Primary source of light on earth. So which is the primary source of light on earth? Sun is the primary source of light on earth. Is it clear, children? Now let me start the lesson. The sun is a very big ball of hot gases. Full stop. Then you should have to, don't run. Okay, you should not run with the sentences. If there is a full stop, just take just for a minute, just for a second, you just stop over there. It is many times bigger than the earth. Spell the word of earth. E-A-R-T-H. Full stop. Okay, now again start. It looks small because, spell the word of because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because it is very far away from us. It is a star. It is a star. The sun gives us heat and light. The light of the sun causes day. We can see objects in the light. We cannot see in the dark. Okay, the next one. Now be ready. So what we had learned about the sun, the primary source of light on earth. Okay, now let me start about the shadow. When an object blocks the light falling on it, its shadow is formed. A shadow can form on the ground, a wall, etc. In the above picture, the object is Shelley's body and the light is coming from the sky, from the sun. The light is coming from the sun. Sorry children. Once again, come on, learn now. When an object blocks the light falling on it, its shadow is formed. A shadow can form on the ground, a wall, etc. In the above picture, the object is Shelly's body and the light is coming from the sun. The next one. Next line. Shelly is jumping the rope. Look at the picture here. What she is doing here? She is jumping the rope as like skipping. Okay. So she has her back to the sun. Look at here. Where is the sun? See, listen here. Look at here, children. What is this view? Sun. Okay. Where is the sun? At the back of her head. Shelly's head. Okay. So come on. Say. She has her back to the sun. She can see her shadow on the ground. Now listen here, children. Look at here. Shelly is playing with what? Rope. At the back of her head, what is there? Sun. But where is her shadow? Where it is falling? On the ground. Okay, fine. Is it back side or front side? No, teacher. It's an front. When she is playing, sun is at the back of her, but her shadow is in front of her. You see it. While playing, her shadow can be seen in her front side. Okay. Have you seen it, children? Can you able to observe this picture? Yes. Who is she? She is Shelly's. Okay. She is playing what? Rope. Okay. She is playing with the rope. Okay. Turn the page, all of you children. Be ready. Now, a shadow is a dark shape formed on the ground which appears when the light is not able to pass through an object. The shape of the shadow is similar to that of the object. Okay. So once again, come and learn with your teacher. A shadow is a dark shape formed on the ground which appears when the light is not able to pass through an object. The shape of the shadow is similar to that of the object. Okay. So can you able to understand? Now look at here. Draw shadow of this objects. You should have to draw the shadow of these objects. What are the pictures? Look at there. This is a ball. Okay. Here is a pencil. Here dog. And one more is tree. So for all those things you should have to draw a shadows. Okay. Now look at here, children. This is a small shadow game. Use a torch as shown in darkened room. Okay, you make your room dark and take out a torch and switch on that. Okay, when you switch on the light, switch on the torch, you can see the shadows. Try making the different shapes with the shadows. Look at here. This boy is how he was showing his finger, the shape of the fingers. But where is it? When he was showing the torch to the fingers, again the same finger shadow is falling on the wall. Okay. So look at here how it is looking. Some animal pic, isn't it? So like this various shapes you can make it out in the darkened room. Okay. With the help of this torch light. Put your like that you can form with your hands. So you can do with your help of your hands, fingers. You can. Now this child is making what? Deer. Look at here. How is the view now? This is look like a deer. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది చూస్తున్నారా? ఒక జింకలా కనిపిస్తలే కదా మీకు అనిపిస్తుంది అది సేమ్. ఓకే. సో అలా ఎన్నో షేప్స్ మీరు చేయొచ్చు ఫింగర్ తోటి. ఫ్లవర్ అలాగా. ఓకే. యూ కెన్ మేక్ సమ్ ఎనీ అదర్ ఫింగర్ మూమెంట్స్, ఫింగర్ shapes you can make it, and that will be visible in another way. Okay children. The next one. Now turn the next page. Page number 97. Get ready. Now look at this child. He is standing. When it is this shadow is evening time. Okay, this is the evening hours. Here one more shadow is morning time. And look at the shadows how they are. Is it a longer or shorter? Look at there. Now let me start, then you will understand. Okay. If the sun is shining in the sky, there will be shadows of various objects on the earth. We can see the longest shadows in the morning and in the evening. Exactly. Now which shadow you can able to see now? Is it a longest or shadow shortest? No, it is very longest shadow. When you can see the longest shadow? During sunset and during sunrise. Look at here this one. He was standing here. Okay, so at the back of the sun. Now the sun rises in the morning, and look at his shadow is very longer. Can you able to observe the picture? Yes. Now look at your evening shadow is how it is. It is also very longer. Okay. The next one. On the other hand, we can see the shortest shadows during the afternoon. On the other hand, we can see the shortest shadows during the afternoon. So look at the shadows now. Look at here. Look at the shadows here. This is the afternoon. Okay, where is the sun? Yes, above the head of this child. So how is the shadow now? It is very short. The shadow looks very shorter. Okay, during noon time. Now next one. Look at the sun. Look at Sam. Look at what is the name of the boy? Sam. He has brought a burning candle to the room. Where there is no light, he can see his shadow on the wall. Look at here. What he had lighted candle. And look at his shadow. Sam's candle is on the wall. Okay. Actually this room is completely very dark. ఈ రూమ్ చాలా చీకటిగా ఉంది. అయితే క్యాండిల్ వెలిగించాడు అబ్బాయి. What is the name of the boy? Sam. Now after some time what happens? He can see his shadow on the wall. Okay. So like this you can play the shadow game. The next one, look at here. One important point, children. In olden days, అంటే పాతకాలంలో there were no watches or clocks. గడియారం లేదు, క్లాక్స్ లేదు అప్పుడు ఆ టైంలో ఆ సమయంలో. ఓకే, సో పీపుల్ వుడ్ ఎస్టిమేట్ ద టైమ్ బై లుకింగ్ అట్ ద షాడోస్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఫార్మ్ డ్యూరింగ్ different times of the day. So how they will observe the timing, how they will estimate the timing, ఎట్లా చూస్తారంటే షాడోస్ని చూసి వాళ్ళు దాన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారు. ఓకే, ఇలా గుర్తుంచుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు మార్నింగ్ అయింది 6 o'clock, it is 7 o'clock, now this is 10 o'clock and this is evening 5 o'clock. So how they gets this all timing? They don't know what is the timing, 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock. They don't know. They don't have any idea about the watch or clock or anything. Just they will, by the help of the sun, the way the sun, if the sun rises in between noon time and the evening when the sun sets, by that help of that time only they will estimate that this is the time now. Okay, so next turn the page number 98. Rajat has lit a torch in the darkness. Who is he? Rajat. What he did now? He lit a torch, means torch on చేశాడు అబ్బాయి. ఓకే, ఎక్కడ? చీకటి రూమ్లో, డార్క్నెస్. హీ ఈస్ థ్రోయింగ్ ద లైట్ ఆన్ హిస్ డాగ్. ఈవిడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు అబ్బాయి? ఈ టార్చ్ తీసి ఈ కుక్క మీద ఇట్లా టార్చ్ పెడుతున్నాడు, అంటే అతని మీదే పెడుతున్నాడు టార్చ్ లైట్. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ యూ సీ, హీ కెన్ సీ హిస్ డాగ్ షాడో. బట్ ఆ కుక్క పిల్లది ఏమవుతుంది? షాడో పడుతుంది. ఎక్కడ? గోడ మీద పడుతుంది, చూసారా? బట్ ఎక్కడ టార్చ్ ఎక్కడ చూపిస్తున్నాడు? కుక్క పైన. ఓకే, కుక్క మీద చూపించినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఆ టార్చ్ లైట్ వెలుతురు ఎక్కడ పడుతుంది? అతని కుక్క షాడో వాల్ మీద పడుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాలింగ్, దిస్ షాడో ఈస్ ఫాలింగ్ ఆన్ ద వాల్. నౌ లిజన్ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, once again I will read. Listen. Rajat has lit a torch, isn't it? Now in the darkness he is throwing the light on his dog. So what happens now? He can see his dog shadow. Can you able to follow? Yes. The next one. In both the cases shadows are seen when the light from the candle and the torch has been blocked. When, again I'll read this sentence, look at carefully. When the light from the candle and the torch has been blocked. So when you will get this, when you can see the shadow, there was explaining here. Okay, now the next one, exercises. Let's revise these points. The sun is a huge ball of fire. The sun gives us heat and light. Sunlight helps us to see during the day. A shadow is a dark path formed when light cannot pass through an object. So these are the important points, okay, which they had highlighted here. Let's revise. Let's revise. So all the important points related to this lesson only. Now we'll come to the exercise, children. Tick the correct answer. When do we see a shadow? When there is no light, when light is not able to pass through an object. So when do we see a shadow? When light is not able to pass through an object, or when there is no light. This is the homework for you, children. Do it in the textbook only. Okay. So next one, I'll read the questions and be ready for the answer for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll show you the answers. What is the shape of a shadow formed? The same as the object or a dark patch. The next one, out of these objects, which one will form a good shadow? Is it a glass window or a dog? The next one, when are shadows the shortest? When are shadows the shortest? Whether is it afternoon or evening? The next one, when are the longest shadows formed? Is it afternoon or evening? So please, children, complete the answers with the pencils. You have to write the option A. If it is A, you write it A. If it is B, then you write it B. Okay, children. So these are the answer. Now if it is right, then give it right, tick the mark. If it is wrong, that below you place a wrong mark. If it is first one is wrong, then second one is right, then you place it wrong and right. Okay. So this is the way. The next one, look at here, children. Tick the shadows that matches the image. Yes, children, you have to find out. Look at this puppy. The same image, can you able to follow here? Where is the same image? Where is it? Where you can be seen? Look at the A picture. Picture A, B and C. The same picture you should have to find out. Where is it? That is picture A. Okay. Next one, look at the boy. The same position you have to find out. Okay. Where is it? Where you can be seen now? Yes. Okay. First one. The next one is, now look at the next picture. What is this here? Door. And look at here. Look at the view and find out this also. Tick the shadow that matches the image. The same image has to match in this shadows. Okay. Find out and tick the words. Next question answers we had completed. This also I had given to you. Things to do. Draw the position of the sun in the pictures below. You should have to draw the pictures and do it in the textbook only, children. Draw the position of the sun in the pictures below. Okay. The next one is, turn the page. Page number 100. Activity. Look at this activity, please, children. Make it as a homework. Join the dots. You have to look at carefully, all of you. Just I'll make it zoom. You have to join the dots, okay, in the picture below. Color it. So here, what is your tree? Just for this dots, no, you have to join it over. Slowly you take it with the pencil. You draw. You join it, and then you do the coloring. Very neat coloring. It should not come out of the outer line. Okay. Next one. Draw the shadow of the object you see in the picture. Then afterwards, go. That's it. Okay. So these are the fun activity worksheet. As like a worksheet, you can do it now, children. So join the dots with the help of sharp pencil and color this picture. Okay, children. So this is your textbook exercise. Lesson reading we had completed. So which lesson we had completed? Light and shadow lesson reading we had completed. So like this, you should have to go for the textbook reading, practice, regularly. Hereafter, from today, like yesterday only I had started, but we are going to complete all the textbook exercises along with that textbook reading too. Okay, children, is it clear, all of you? So I think this class is very clear for you all, children. I hope this textbook reading will give the very good beneficial, isn't it, for you all? Okay, children. Bye, children, and take care all.